Hello everybody, my name is Yashwaswini. I'm studying in Sri College of Engineering first year. So today I'm in front of you to speak on the topic ion selective electrode. So let's start. So let's see first what is ion selective electrode. Ion selective electrode is one in which specifically responds to a specific ion in a mixture and the potential developed at the electrode is function of the concentration that ion in the solution. So this is said that an ion and selective electrode is one in which it responds to only specific kind of ions. So example of this is the glass electrode. So let's see the functions of the glass electrode. As we can see, as we can see here, this is the diagram of the glass electrode. So this is the outer bulb of the glass electrode. So the glass electrode consists of a glass bulb of a specific type of glass which has low melting point and high electrical conductivity. The glass bulb is filled with a constant pH and zero point 0.1 ml of HCl solution and inserted with a AgAgCl electrode and hence has an external electric contact. So as we can see in the diagram, the outer glass of the glass electrode, it is made up of a specific type of glass, the glass which has high melting point and low electrical conductivity. And the orange line which we can see here is that is the AgCl electrode which is present inside that acts as a reference electrode and it also acts as an external electric contact. So, so our next topic that is construction and working of Calomel electrode. So as we can see here, this is the diagram of the Calomel electrode. So let's see how it works. It consists of a inner tube packed with a mercury at the bottom and a paste of mercury and mercury chloride is placed above the mercury. The outer tube is filled with a KCl solution of unknown concentration. The PT wire is kept immersed into the mercury to obtain electrical contact. A porous disc act as an salt bridge. The calomel electrode act as an anode or cathode depending on the nature of the electrode of the cell. So this says that the inner tube of this says that the inner tube of this is filled with the mercury, and at the bottom it is the paste of the mercury chloride and the mercury which is placed above the paste of the mercury chloride. So the above tube is filled with KCl solution of unknown concentration. So the leftover tube which is filled with the saturated KCl solution and this PT wires which is immersed inside the mercury that is immersed to obtain the electrical contact. So then the porous disc that acts as a salt bridge. The calomel electrode acts as an anode or cathode depending upon the nature of the outer electrode of the cell. So this says that the calomel electrode acts as both anode and cathode, but it depends on the nature. So this is the cell reaction. As we can see here, the anode reaction that is 2Hg plus 2Cl minus that gives Hg2Cl2 plus 2E minus. Next, that is the cathode reaction Hg2Cl2 plus 2E that gives 2Hg plus 2Cl. Then the overall reaction of this is 2Hg plus 2Cl that gives Hg2Cl2 plus 2E. So this is the cell reactions of the calomel electrode. Thank you.